हेलो, हाउ आर यू? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। जब तक कोई चीज़ आप शुरू नहीं करते हो आपको ये अंदाज़ा नहीं होता कि वो चीज़ कितनी मुश्किल है और कितनी आसान, क्योंकि स्टार्ट करने से पहले वी ऑलवेज थिंक दैट इट्स वेरी बिग, इट्स वेरी प्रॉब्लमेटिक, बट व्हेन वी स्टार्ट the things, it's become very easy. Just like I'm making the videos at the starting time, I was feeling that it is very difficult to make the videos, but after making and after practicing, and now I am realizing that it's not a very big task. Whatever what is the need is, we just need to start. Because मैंने देखा कि so many people of the village sides, and even so many students of class 7th 8th even 9th, they are making the videos of relevant things, and or some videos are irrelevant, but they are keep continuing and the people are watching them. So I was thinking that if they can videos of irrelevant things, so I can make the useful thing. So I have decided that I should make the videos. So I have started to make the videos and recording, so that I can improve my communication skill. So whatever you're thinking, just stop thinking and start making the videos and to improve your communication. Or if you don't have the mobile phone, just start in front of the mirror. Because in 2026, if you not do this, it will be very late. Or you will think all the time that I should make, but time is going on and you are just thinking and you are not taking the actions. So I think it's not very difficult thing. Just we are thinking that it's very difficult, but when I started, it's become very easy. And please don't think that लोग मेरी वीडियोस को देख के क्या कहेंगे, मैं तो बहुत गलत वीडियो बनाता हूँ, मैं तो सही से बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ, लोग हंसेंगे। स्टॉप थिंकिंग लाइक दैट। बिकॉज आप जो वीडियो बना रहे हो, ये पहले तो आप अपने लिए बना रहे हो, बिकॉज यू नीड टू इम्प्रूव योर कम्युनिकेशन, यू नीड टू फेस द problem that you are thinking that is very big. But I think you should have a start. You don't overthinking that the people will think, what is the people think. They are appreciating, they will be inspired by your actions, so that they can also take the actions. And I am making the videos for myself, because I have written in my bio that I am not a fluent speaker, but I can improve, so that the beginners, if you want to learn the English speaking at the starting, so you can start also. And I would like to say, there is the only one thing that can lead you to the success, whatever you think. Because what is your thinking and what you have thought, just start doing. Because if you're not taking the action, it's very useless the things. So I was thinking that it's, I don't know that my videos is going to better, but I know that after few months, after making the few days, it would be very nice to see my this video. And after the 6 month, I know I have spoken very wrong things, but I am speaking, that's important.